Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all are fine. Today we will see about some of the facts regarding MS Word. You can include any type of equation in Word document. Just go to Insert tab, choose equation and click on the Select New Equation. Microsoft uses Translator tool to handle all translations. You can select multiple languages and translate a word, sentence or entire text to display it in your document. MS Word documents extensions are named as is.doc/space.docs. You can use hide options in MS Word. This option helps you to easily hide specific text content of the document. The next point is using the paragraph option of the format menu, double comma, you can set the line spacing and the paragraph spacing in a document. MS Word run command is WinWord. If you want to select full document, you can use Ctrl+A to select full document. If you want to start new page, you can use Ctrl+Enter. Keyboard shortcuts work only if we do not have any menu options open. Next one is page formatting in MS Word is controlled through the page setup option of the file menu. That's all for today. I hope you have understood. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.